Hi, welcome again here from CES 2019. My name is Sebastian Lang with MRTV and I'm here with Eli McKinnon, who's the global brand strategist for Insta360. And we're going to have a hands-on of the Insta360 One X. Hi Eli.
Hi Sebastian.
Yeah, great to have you here, and I'm really looking forward to get to know everything about the Insta360 One X and some other cameras that you're offering here.
Awesome. So what the One X is all about is reinventing the action camera using 360 technology.
Wow. So this is an action camera actually.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
And the reason for that is because there's so many action sport scenarios, whether it's skiing or cycling, where you can't be actively directing. You don't want to be thinking about where you're pointing your camera. You want to just be able to set your camera somewhere and be sure that you're not going to miss any action. You're not going to miss something interesting when your friend wipes out on the mountain beside you.
Yeah, behind you.
Totally.
It happens all the time.
So this camera lets you capture every direction, and then using our software, you can really easily reframe it and grab the coolest shots from any angle.
Cool. So far I had some 360 cameras and the editing process has been a little bit of a pain. You had to download it to Premiere and then find the right format. It's not like so user-friendly, but your camera has the answer to that.
Totally. Yeah, that's been one of our main focuses with this, is making that whole reframing process extremely easy, mobile friendly, something you can put together in a couple of minutes and then just share immediately.
Oh, that's amazing. For our social media addicts, they can directly put it on Insta and whatever.
Totally.
Can we have a look probably at your app?
So this is
It is my face in big, but now we have a look at your iPhone.
Yeah, and this is just something I filmed a couple of weeks back. You can see the other cool thing it does is it deletes the extension from your shot. So I shot this on a big selfie stick, but
it's gone.
Exactly. So
how does it work? It's like
we're positioning that stick right on the stitch line.
Okay, perfect.
And it's
automatically in the app.
Exactly.
You don't have to care.
You bring it onto the app and it's gone. So it's kind of like having a handheld drone.
Okay. Yeah.
And
oh, nice.
Once you got a shot like this, where it's a full 360 shot, floor to ceiling, every direction.
And you're walking around, and this is a video, right?
This is a video. But at any point in my timeline, if I want to focus on something specific, say I want my viewer's attention over here on the sign, I just drop a point like that, long press.
Oh, no.
I can move ahead. Say I want to move and look at this woman who's approaching me from the front. I'll put another point there. Now she's going by me, so I'm going to focus on her. And the other cool thing you can do is I'll lock onto her and I'll smart track her. So this is automatically keeping her center frame.
She's wondering what you're having there in your hand, right? Like, ooh.
That's a common reaction you get when you're walking around with a 10-foot pole, right?
Yeah, exactly, right.
So it's an amazing way to get this really cool cinematic effects.
So you have like put the focus on some different kind of things in the timeline,
exactly.
and then if you upload it, the thing what people will see on their Insta video will be that thing that you focused on in the timeline.
I'll show you what the result does of that 15 seconds of editing we just did. So I'm looking over there. Now I pan to the woman.
Oh,
and we're gonna follow her as she walks away. That's something I've gotten without moving my camera at all. We have that smooth cinematic pan. You can look in any direction, and you never miss any shot. So that's what we're focusing on with that camera.
That is amazing. That is really cool. So I think this kind of editing feature, to have it in your app, ready to upload it to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, is actually what we've been missing, what I've been missing. So with my 360 footage, it's like a pain in the ass to find where I'm looking at, where I want them to look at, and now I can just do it in the app.
Totally. And you also, I mean, you have the 360 footage. If you want people to watch it in VR, you've got that. You can share it immediately. You can put it on YouTube. You can put it on Vimeo. But at the same time, if you want to reach people who don't have a VR headset yet, and just give them a preview, or if you want to make a narrated, a very, very clear edit where you control what your audience sees, then you can do that super easily right on your phone.
Wow, that is amazing. So the camera, so you can mount it to anything actually with this standard mount here.
Yep.
On the bottom, can you see that, guys?
You can mount it on your dog if you want.
Yeah.
Stabilization is insanely good on this camera.
Oh, this has stabilization built in as well.
Really good stabilization.
Amazing. And they're asking right now, we're live right now, they're asking about the resolution.
The resolution is 5.7K.
Oh, 5.7K.
Yep. And that's because we're so focused on that reframing, you need super high resolution so that even when you crop in, it's still great. When we crop in, it's 1080p on even that small frame of the video.
Wow. 5.7 is just like your competition from Views. They also have a, yeah, anyways. Cool.
I think one big advantage you have though is that editing workflow.
Okay, yeah, because of this app, right? It seems like you can, I really like that you can just focus and then automatically it will focus on what you want them to focus on. Right. Cool. So yeah, here the mount is here. Then yeah, obviously the two cameras are here. Then here, I think if you open this, can you show them?
Sure.
Let me just change again and just like get it. Okay, so you click on here and there's the battery. Oh, you can, oh, that's good, I like it. So if you run out of juice, you bring the extra one, pop it in and you're good to go again.
Totally.
That is amazing. So how is the battery life? How is the battery life?
The battery life, if you're shooting continuously, you get about, you're shooting non-stop, you get about half an hour on one charge, and then you can swap out.
Exactly.
But if you're catching a few clips throughout the day, or if you're just doing photos mainly, then it'll easily get you through a day of shooting.
Okay, that's amazing. So what else is there? What is this here?
Oh, this is, let me turn that on.
Yeah, okay, let me change again. Oh, the display. Okay,
that's
cool.
The display screen. You can swap between the different shooting modes. Oh, I'm grabbing a shot there.
I know Derek Sante from Ironheart. Do you know Derek?
So I can swap between
bullet
different
time,
shooting modes right on screen here. We'll
right.
change all of these settings. But the other thing you can do with this is I can connect with my phone on Wi-Fi. I can get a live Wi-Fi.
Ah, that's amazing. So you can put it somewhere on the tripod, walk away, and then from there click it.
Yep. And you can also, I mean, if you're holding it on an extension pole like I usually do, you get an idea of the framing of your shot as you're walking along.
Amazing. So this is the Insta360 One X. It is available from now.
It's available right now.
Available right now from Amazon or whatever.
Amazon, Insta360.com.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So how expensive is this piece of tech?
It's $399.
Okay.
And when you consider the fact that that's two cameras smashed into one, it's a good deal.
I think the app on top of that, I think this is really like the selling point on top of what you can do. Do you have any more questions, my dear live community watching this right now? Because now I'm here with Eli and he can directly answer all your questions.
Keep them coming.
Yeah, keep them coming. Also, reasonable price. Yeah.
The beer, how's the beer in Las Vegas?
Yeah, I think good.
Yeah, we've been sticking mostly to vodka, but we'll hit up the breweries tonight.
Okay, that's amazing. So we are so excited about VR on this channel. I know you've also some high-end VR stuff, VR cameras. Could we talk about those as well for a moment?
Sure. So our big announcement at CES this year is we've just launched the Insta360 Titan, which is this beast over here to my left.
Oh my goodness, this is the Insta360 Titan. Okay, it's a good name. It looks like the Star Wars destroyer,
the
like
Death Star,
the
right?
Death Star, yeah. So this is the Death Star of cameras.
The reason we call it the Titan, I think it'll be clear if you pan to the right and you see our other Pro camera. It'll show you just how much of a giant that thing is.
Okay, so this is the small one. You had it on the market already before?
Yes.
Yeah, and this is called the?
This is the Insta360 Pro 2. That's the second generation of our Pro model. And then the Insta360 Titan it's a whole new category for us.
Wow.
Where we're focused on very high-end cinematic VR.
High-end productions.
Creative productions.
Wow.
Where every single detail, every single pixel counts, and you just need the most immersive possible film. That's what this is designed for. And the most groundbreaking feature on this is that we're using micro 4/3 sensors.
Okay.
Which they're used in DSLRs.
Yeah, I have it on my DSLR. Exactly.
So within the Pro VR market, most VR cameras are still using smartphone or action camera sensors, these 1/2/3, very small sensors. And that just really limits what you can do with low light, with color accuracy, with your dynamic range. So we wanted to solve that, and that's why we put 8 micro 4/3 sensors in this thing. It gives you 11K resolution. For 3D, then it's 10K per eye 3D. So just a very, very clear image. Low light is amazing, and it makes a huge difference when you're in that headset because it's truly immersive. You have every detail in place.
Amazing, but I suppose to render the video, you probably our computer at home is not good enough for that.
Well, so we're really focused on making the whole workflow practical.
Okay, how does it work? Tell us more about the workflow.
Sure. We work closely with Adobe, so you can take the footage off of that camera before you've stitched anything. You've got 8 separate files from each of those lenses.
Okay.
You take those 8 separate files, you throw them onto Adobe Premiere Pro, and using a plugin that we've developed, we will give you an automatically stitched preview.
Okay,
we have a low-res proxy file that comes along with that full-res version, and we use the proxies. Yeah, we use the proxies to get an on-the-fly preview of what your final product's going to look like.
Yeah.
You edit your whole project, you could cut it down to the shortest, tightest version. The last step when you hit export, that's when you actually do the heavy-duty stitching.
Okay,
so you don't waste any time.
So probably you can actually edit it on a computer that's not so powerful, just with a preview. Okay, or you still need a very good computer.
I'm not going to tell you. It's called the Titan for a reason. You need a pretty powerful machine. The Pro 2 is a lot more flexible. The Pro 2 you could use a lot of mid-range computers to edit that. But for the Titan, it's designed for really professional filmmakers, so they're going to be using heavy-duty machines.
Is this a 3D camera actually?
Yes.
Okay,
absolutely.
this is 3D. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. How about the smaller? So this one, the new one, the Titan, the Death Star of your cameras, it's going to be around $15,000 US dollars. And is it available now?
We've opened reservations on it.
Okay, guys, you can reserve this thing right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's a 1% deposit to reserve. It's also totally refundable. So
no worries, guys. You can
you
can totally do it. And when are you going to ship this beast?
This one is planned to ship in April.
Okay, all right. And the smaller one, is this also already 3D?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
This is 8K 3D.
This is 8K 3D. So with this, actually, like probably, how expensive is this one?
This one is 5,000 USD.
Okay, that's more affordable for normal, semi-professional YouTube channels.
This gets you amazing content as well.
This is actually pretty cool.
I mean, check out we have so much footage online. We have journalists using this.
Right.
We have some really amazing use cases with it. We had NASA live streaming the landing of the Mars. Yeah, the recent Mars rover that they landed. We had them live streaming the control center with this camera. So there's amazing things that you can do with this one. It's super versatile. You can live stream with it, and it gives you great footage. It's also lighter, so you can put this up on a drone.
Exactly. Oh, you can put this on a drone?
We flew it in I'll show you some content in a minute. We flew it in a fireworks display in Macau. So we brought a drone up with the camera, and we were among these fireworks as they're going off.
Probably not going to work with the DJI Spark though. And if you look at it, actually, it looks like a nice little friendly robot.
Exactly. We get the Star Wars. It also looks a little bit like Chappie, right?
Exactly. Yeah. So that is really cool. So $5,000. This is already available since when?
This is available since the end of August.
Okay, amazing. Also still new, actually.
This won the top camera prize at CES. So the CES Innovation Awards won Best of Innovation in the digital imaging category. There's only one of those prizes given in that category. So it was recognized because it really makes VR production easier.
Okay, can you watch YouTube videos in VR that were filmed with the camera for 5K? Yeah, you can put that on YouTube, of course, right?
You can. Yep,
you can.
You can upload it straight from the app to YouTube.
Oh, directly from the app. Wow. And with this camera is probably more interesting for our viewers. I'm wondering what kind of computer will you need for editing this?
So a MacBook Pro will work with this.
All right, but you have to wait a bit.
It's not going to be the fastest. Yeah, we have detailed. If you check out Insta360.com, the Pro 2 product page, and scroll down, we have a detailed recommended specs list for the machines that'll. That'll process this footage very smoothly.
Nice.
But basically, MacBook Pro is sort of at the low end of what you need, and then as you go up from there in terms of processing power, you're going to get smoother and smoother and faster.
Nice. Somebody asked just, could you live stream 360 with that?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Not somebody, it was Dennis from Germany. Dennis asked this.
So like I mentioned, we had a really cool use case recently where NASA used this to live stream the control center when they had a landing on Mars. And it's perfect for that. So it will live stream to any 360 platform. We have a real-time, there's a processor on board that stitches in real time.
Okay, wow, this is really cool. So it stitches it automatically while it's live streaming, so you don't have to worry about anything.
Totally, yep. You just connect that to whatever your, you can connect it to your smartphone, you can connect it to a computer, you put in your live streaming address, whatever platform you're going to, and then the Pro 2 does the rest. It stitches it all together on board, gives you a seamless 360 live stream that people can pop into a headset and watch. They can scroll on their phone and be there with you.
I think I need that for my live streams because I'm doing lots of live streams.
You wouldn't have to be flipping back and forth between this, right? You can let the audience do the work for you.
Amazing. Wow, Eli, I'm so happy that you told our audience about your Insta product. It seems this is super relevant for our community. And I think everyone is quite as fired up as I'm now about the robot and the Death Star. And once you get
the whole empire.
The whole empire is here.
We're kidding them out.
Exactly. And mate, thank you so much for letting us know. And for you guys, if you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section. I have Eli's email address, and I can totally get your answers. And yeah, give it a thumbs up, guys, if you like this live stream from CES. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to Amateur